Hey everyone, Charlie with Merchant Automotive, and today I'm going to give you a quick rundown on our oil cooler seal and gasket kits, which we have available for the 2001 to 2010 as well as the 2011 to 2016 Duramax trucks. Now both kits are going to contain all the gaskets and seals needed to reinstall your oil cooler assembly to your engine, as well as to seal the oil cooler itself should you split the two halves. Now the original factory design of the oil cooler from 2001 to 2004 utilized a flat metal gasket to seal the two halves and is no longer available, and your oil cooler should be replaced. From 2005 on, this O-ring type gasket was used and is included in both kits. In 2012, some changes were made that resulted in the use of a different O-ring in this location, most notable by its green color. This O-ring is included in the 2011 to 2016 kit, and if you have an early truck with a replacement oil cooler purchased in 2012 or after, most likely you'll need this gasket, and it's available to purchase separately with this kit. Both kits are going to be available on our website, or give our sales team a call and we'll get you taken care of. And like and subscribe if you're enjoying these videos, and comment below because we do love to hear from you. And thanks for watching.